Waiting. Hello world and to everyone. Kumusta po ang lahat? Thank you for this day. Loobin ng Diyos na nasa mabuti po tayong kalagayan. We are here now in our province in Pangasinan. Hello. Yeah, oh. Yan. So, wala pa. Hello. Game Fred Tiger. Hello. You are number 1. Kumusta? Are you a Filipino? Andito po kami ngayon sa province namin sa Pangasinan. Yan. Okay. I'm here in the Pangasinan, the province. Hello. Our house is under renovations. Yan. Overview the mountains. I just pick this one. Paarpuno. My province is diba? Our kambing and the baka. There's the baka, Nema. Flip. There. Yeah, there. This is our province in Philippines. Overview the mountains. Thank you very much for coming to the live of Filipino Life Stories. I have no work today. I'm just watching our kambing. The goat. Thank you. Do you have a channel? Game Tiger? Number 14. Thank you very much for coming. Hello. Maraming salamat sa live ng Filipino Life Stories. I have no chance, wala pa akong chance to have live in Filipino life stories sa mga tao, because some of the fellow people are conscious about the having a Biju. Game Tiger, okay. Do you have a channel? Game Tiger, thank you so much for coming. Please support our channel, Filipino Life Stories, for the community. Thank you, thank you. Retouch. Green screen, sticker, effect, flip. Nako, ano ba to? Pin to live stream. Okay, we have a products, Rattan Furniture. It's very support to purchase our Rattan Furniture for the community, for our community. Thank you very much. At Game Tigre. At Game Gamer. No, I am not a gamer. Before, I'm a gamer. But I have no time for a game for now. Where in fact, I'm just an addict of the gamer before. Tigre. Ito, Gamer Tigre. Tigre. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you very much. I Game Tigre. You are a kid. Okay. You're Spanish? Game Tigre. Nako. Naku, ballpen ko dapat hindi pala ganito. Hello, Mike Hart. Thank you very much. Yes, good evening. Today is... What is today? I don't even see the day. I'm just confused of time. Thank you very much for supporting our channel, Mr. Mike Hart. Mr. Mike Hart, yes. Hello, I'm in the province right now. Yes, there. The province. See that province? May I ask you a question about something? Yes. What is all about? Do you have a channel, Mr. Mike Hart? Do you have a channel? How was your day today? Blessed day today. It's a blessed day today because I'm having live today to meet and greet new friends and our beloved subscribers. I just want to say thank you for all the support. And we have a products there. It's a rattan basket made of Filipinos. Mike Harp. How about you, Mike Harp? How was your day today? Thank you for coming, Mike Harp. Mike Harp, do you have a channel? You don't have a pictures or profile pictures for me to look your channel if you have. Kung meron kang channel, are you a Filipino? Okay. Nako, wala namang lumabas na Mike Harp. Ang lumabas ito. Kuya Mel ang lumabas. At Mike Harp 8274. Yes, what is your problem right now? May playing pala ito ah. Minsan gawin ko nga itong playing. Ano to? May playing pala to. Yan. Bakit anong meron sa palipad? Sabi niya dito. Ano ba to? Funding. Hindi ko masyadong kabisado ang mag-live stream. Lalo na gusto ko mag-live stream sa mga madlang people. Darating po tayo dyan sa madlang people. Yan, may si Mike Hart na ang number 1. And then number 3 is Lucifer. Okay. Funding. Ano ba yung funding? Yung Mike Harp, ang lumabas ito. Is this you, Mike Harp? Pilipino ka. Hello, kababayan ko. Kumusta po? Ngayon, papasyal ko kayo. Ano ba ito? Hindi ko alam ang kabisado dito eh. Itong ganito. Automatic funding, super chat channel membership, gifting. Funding tayo. Ngayon, papasyal ko kayo dito. Funding. Hindi. Thank you. Thank you for supporting. This is our community. Oh, yan. Oh. Yan. Ngayon, kailangan natin na supportan yung ating mga kababayang Pilipino dahil ang kulang po natin dito yung mga patubig, ganyan. Yan. They are our goat. Yan, ngayon may goat na po. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your support. And be a part of our channel to support our fellow Filipino. And then especially our children out of school youth. And then ang problema po kasi sa mga ano po natin ngayon, ang ating gobyerno, hindi sapat yung mga ayudahan. Ang kailangan po natin trabaho. Yun ang kailangan po natin. Thank you very much for coming, and I will check ko po ang ano nyo po. Ayan. Mr. Mike Harp. Number 2, Mike Harp. Number 1. Number 2, at Losef G67P. Tapos ang aking sister, BMX Vlog. Maraming salamat sa BMX Vlog. Ang ating beloved na organic subscriber. And then Gamer 14. Maraming salamat. Yan. Thank you very much for coming. Maraming salamat at sa pagbisita nyo sa ating probinsya. Ayan, under construction. Yan. It's under construction. Sana makatulong na po tayo sa ating kapwa. Yan. Nandito ako sa likod. Yan. The Duhat wine. We have a Duhat wine. Papasyal ko po kayo doon later. Thank you very much for coming to the Filipino Life Stories. Thank you very much. And maging bahagi po kayo. Be a part of our channel, Filipino Life Stories. Binabahagi po natin ang ating mga buhay-buhay bilang Pilipino. Yan, nasa likod po. Yan. I have no kapitbahay here. Marami pa akong mangga eh. Yan. Yan, ginagawa pa lang ng bahay. Wala akong maistakan ng mga gamit. Gusto ko kasi funding because of my purpose is to magbigay ng fund para magpakain ng mga bata na hindi kumakain halos. Tapos ang kinakain lang po nila yung mga sweet candies or mga chippy na chip. Piso-piso like that. Piso-piso. Nakakaawa din. Siyempre, kahit na pumapasok kasi school, even they are schooling, but with that empty stomach, of course, wala po silang maisip. This is my kapitbahay. Tignan nyo. Yan. Kaya may solar. Yan o. CCTV and solar. Brother, makakainom Lara. Inom Lala. That's my brother. That is our brother. Yan, magpapainom ng kalabaw. Lara, abay. Nauuhaw Lara, Brad. Ha? Kakainom Lara. Gawin ta niya amin, awa. Mong taimuran, awa. Mong taimuran Lara, pare. Ni, agmini nagawa-gawa ya ita. Tamlap, pare. At takabirber, binas ka. Watang ira, yung gugaw. Murong ira natan. That's my kumpare. Yung mga anak niya, yung mga matatalino, mga scholar, ganun. Yan. That's our fellow Filipino. Yan. Yan. Salamat. Dakalay kambing mo. Talante. Thank you very much for sharing your time and supporting our channel, Filipino Life Stories. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Like and share. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maging bahagi po kayo sa ating mission. Our mission is to share blessing, to feed our fellow Filipino, lalo na yung mga pumapasok na walang laman ng stomach nila. Syempre, hindi sila makapasok din. Yun. And I wish and pray that I can continue this mission. Although mabagal, it's slowly, but okay na rin po. Siyempre, we invest to this channel, and I oftentimes sharing our journeys being a Filipino. Minsan, gusto ko sana na mag-share about di kahirapan, but actually, parang sa pagkaano ko, parang ayoko rin na para na-degrade din po tayo dahil syempre, alam naman nila na mahirap din po ang kalagayan natin bilang Pilipino. Dahil syempre, hindi naman po ang ating batas, ang dami-daming batas, pero yun nga po. Yan, ang pinapakain niya na. Thank you very much for coming. Yeah, si BMX Blood, maraming salamat sa iyo, BMX Blood, our sisters. Yan, wala pa rin dumalaw. Dumalaw-dalaw naman po kayo dyan. Yan, nagpapakain si brother. Pigarara, brother, yakin. Walura. Walay tag. Ida mo rin tag. Para gara na balang. Ay, ang puti so wala. So, walay tag. Ang tadala yung sampat. Pare. Ang tadala yung sampatan. Ayun. Ala! Inar. Tadi ka labatan ay di ka? Di ka? Okay labatan tadi ka mat. Yan, papakain. Duhat wine. And then, dito naman po tayo, yan ang baka. Ito naman si baka, yan. Gihintay. Yung mga kapitbahay ko dito, hindi ganun karami. Ay, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Pakitignan nyo po. Titignan ko po yung channel nyo later. Yan. Ito naman yung mga, native. It's a natives. Yes, maganda pong tumira sa province, di po ba? Maganda, syempre. Sa ngayon, wala po akong trabaho ngayon dahil wala pong akong event. No event. Kaya po tayo. Titingin ako ng yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Yan, maraming salamat at maging bahagi po kayo sa ating mission. na tumulong po sa ating kapwa. Yan. Minsan nagtataka ako dun sa mga iba na ano Yan. Tignan ko nga yung ano ko, top fans ko. Yan! Top fans. Ay, yan. Yan, I already screenshot who visited to our channel. Maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Yan, wholesome tayo. Wholesome. Thank you. Naka-screenshot na po yung ating mga pangalan po dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sa suporta na binibigay nyo po sa ating channel. Naka-ready na po yung ating notebook sa mga magbibigay po ng ating mga blessings para maging bahagi po kayo sa ating mission to feed the children. Sa ating mga children, yung mga ating mga senior citizen na inaabandona ng kanilang mga anak. Huwag naman po ganun. Huwag po ganun. Do not abandon our children. Do not abandon our parents. Okay. Ano ata ako? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Nasaan ba si Top Bmix. Well, nakita dito Bmix vlog. Ano ba si Bmix? Tingnan ko yung yung maraming salamat sa iyo at Bmix vlog. Bmix. Vlog. Yun. Naka-subscribe na ako sa iyo. Yan, naka-subscribe na. I already subscribed with you. Yan. The Bmix vlog. Yan. Thank you very much for coming, my sisters. Yan, Bulacan. Half marathon. What's this? Tingnan natin. Panoorin natin yung channel Bmix vlog, my sister. Thank you very much for coming. Maraming salamat sa iyo. At nanonood ako ng iyong ngayon. The BHM Bulacan Half Marathon 2026. Wow. Yan. Oh, yan. Watching. Hello. Sorry. Oh, ang daming tao. Ang daming tao. Ang ganda. Ang saya, ang saya. Hmm. Event, sa event, please. Ah, Vamos, Philstar, ang ganda. Okay. Ganda. Nako, dumami yung linggam. Dumami yung linggam. Maraming salamat. Ano ba ito? I'm sorry but hindi ko masyadong kabisado ang ano eh. Yan. Thank you. Thank you. Ano ba ito? Ano ba ito? Tingnan natin. Top messages na lang. Yan. Oh. Yan! Ang makita ko. Hindi siya spacious. PMX Vlog. Maraming salamat. Hindi siya spacious. Malit lang. Malit lamang yung pinapagawa namin. Pinapagawa ko para may paglagyan ng mga stocks ng mga support natin sa mga ating mga kababayan Pilipino. Yan lang yung pinapagawa ko. Yan. Yan. Magkakalat kasi ito pala. Para hindi magkalat. Nagsusulatan ko yung aking trabaho yan, yung pagiging real estate agent. Yes, I am a real estate agent now. I'm a real estate agent under Santa Lucia. Yan. Kaya bumili na kayo ng Pinewoods Real Estate. Pinewoods sa Santa Lucia, yun. Yan, nanonood ako ngayon ng BMX, yung Bulacan. Yan, may event. Be ready. Yes. Meet and greet to everyone. Yan, yan. Para. I'm waiting. Thank you very much for coming. Hello. Busy po tayo ngayong araw na to. Thank you very much. Yes, nag-retire na po ako sa contracting business sa government kasi mahirap pong kadil ang nasa gobyerno. Dahil, syempre, pag nasa gobyerno ka ay napakahirap na. Napakahirap makipag-deal sa gobyerno. Baka madamay ka pa sa mga alam mo naman. Diba? Kaya yun. Mahirap na. Hindi naman lahat ganun. Kaya sinusulatan ko yun. Mag-invest na! I-feature ko to sa aking sister channel, Filipino TV. Sinusulatan ko mismo, manual. Nagustuhan nyo ba ang aking place? Ang aming place? Kasi mas gusto ko ng mas preferred ko ang province life. I find peace in the province life. Gusto ko makasuporta sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino. Yung nga lang, kalooban ng Diyos, loobin ng Diyos na ano po tayo, di ba? Yan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Kaya naghihintay tayo ng bisita, ng ating mga bisita naman. Oh, may mga event please. Nasa pa yung number 1 ka, tapos meron pa rin. Hello, hello. Have a nice day, my dear. Thank you very much for coming. My name is Jovi Ramos Valdez. Thank you very much, Mike Harp. Are you a Filipino, Mike Harp? I can't find your name here. Maraming salamat sa'yo. I'm playing your videos now. Yes. Yes, yes. Salamat, sister. Thank you very much for coming. At maganda po yung channel mo, VMix Vlog. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Thank you very much. Tsaka si Lucif G67P, maraming salamat. Have a nice day, my dear. Are you Indian national, a Filipino, international, or whatever your lahi? We are the same. We are human. Thank you very much for coming. I'm here. Hello, thank you. Do you have a channel? Please connect. Connect. And I will check your channel first. And standard moderator, just follow the standard, our community standard, so we can continue to connect. Thank you very much for coming. Are you a Christian, a Muslim? Hello. Wholesome tayo, kaya hindi pwede ako naka-sleeveless because of my Christian. Kaya I'm busy preparing my flyers. I need to earn money, of course. We have to earn money. First, for a living. To continue our living. To support our fellow Filipino. Thank you very much for be a part of our channel and maging bahagi kayo sa pagsuporta sa ating mga Pilipino. Yan. Lalo na po sa mga nagugutom na mga bata. Yan. Yan o, may flyers. Kaya mag-invest na po kayo sa Santa Lucia Real Estate Developer. Sabay ads. I'm just starting. Hindi start pala. Mamaya magla-live po ako sa Filipino TV. Kulang pa po ako ng watch hour. That's why. And we have a products there. Please check our products. And baka naman po dyan. At mag-purchase po tayo ng ating mga products sa Shopee. Thank you very much for purchasing our products Shopee. Our Rattan Furnitures. Thank you very much. Malaking suporta, malaking tulong na po yan. Pag bibili po kayo, mag-purchase po kayo ng ating sariling products na Filipino products. The Rattan Baskets. Thank you very much. Mal, idero, no, ula ka di man na lugar, idero ang ma-ballpen niya sakay. Ang kakala ballpen, buenas. Kakumakalat. Ballpen. Ballpen. Yan o, nagpe-playing ako sa'yo. Thank you very much for coming. Kid Blaster Master Official. Hello. Maraming salamat sa'yo. Thank you very much. Yan, nag-play na ako ng ating Thank you very much for coming. Hindi ko po alam, Pasensya na po, pasensya na, hindi po ako masyadong kabisado sa live streaming. Bihira po ako mag-live streaming because of my schedule. Thank you very much. I'm here now in our province. Yan, ang aking province. There. I'm in my province. Yan. Yan. That's my province. Kid, Kid, Kid Blaster Master Official. Thank you very much. Yan, ang ating province. Yan. Wala po akong masyadong kapitbahay. Yan. Ipi-play ako. I'm playing your, Kid Blaster Master, na maraming salamat sa'yo. Thank you very much. Ano ba ito? Yes, Pangasinan. Pilipino ka ba? Kid Blaster Master? Are you a kid? Are you a man? Maraming salamat sa'yo, kababayan ko. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa mga magbibigay ng tulong, magbibigay ng suporta, bibili ng products. Maraming salamat. So, we can continue our shared content. More valuable to come. More valuable videos to come. All about Filipino. Yes. Dahil may mission po. Ang mission po natin, kalooban ng Diyos na makatulong po tayo sa ating mga kapwa Pilipino, lalo na po sa mga elder, mga parents na abandan ng mga kanilang mga anak. Tapos yung mga anak na inaabandona, marami po. Marami pong pumapasok sa school pero nagugutom. Panawagan po sa ating gobyerno po dyan. At bawasan po natin ang presyo ng ating mga bigas. Dapat po lahat walang magugutom. Mahirap naman pong pumasok na gutom po yung aabutin ng ating mga kapwa. That's my mission. To support our fellow Filipino. Magpakain, ganun. Kung ano po yung kalooban ng Diyos na ibibigay po sa atin. Na gaya nyo po na bumisita po dito sa ating channel, Filipino Life Stories. Thank you very much. This is my main channel, Filipino Life Stories. Bisitahin din po nyo ang ating Filipino TV, my sister channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Yan, humangin. Yan, salamat at humangin. Kid Blood Master, tingnan ko yung iyong we have a 2 channel. This is my favorite. This is iPhone 14 and this is Xiaomi. Yan. Gumamit po ako ng cellphone. My favorite cellphone is Xiaomi. Realme ang paborito ko. Ito kasi iPhone, hindi ko maintindihan. Tignan ko po yung channel mo. Hindi pa po ako naka-engage sa Effect. Hanapin ko yung Kid Blaster Master Official Kababayan ko, maraming salamat sa iyo. Hindi ko maintindihan ito isang channel. Itong channel na ito, hindi ko maintindihan minsan. I don't know kung ano yung niche niya ba. Tignan natin yung channel natin ng ating kaibigan. Salamat sa mga unang dumating. Kid Blaster. Kid Blaster. You're a kid? Kid Blaster. Pansin ko mas maraming kid na dumadalo sa aking channel. Kid Blaster Master. Master Official. Gamer ba ito? Gamer ka ata? Hmm. Uy! Maganda itong channel mo. Kid Blaster Master Official, yes. Yeah, ikaw ba ito? The Amazing Machine, yes. Yeah. Yes na yes. I really like this channel mo. Tingnan natin muna. Yan. Kid Blaster Master. Amazing Filipino. Maganda itong channel mo, kababayan. Ayan, oh. Oh, wow. You are already a 6,000 subscriber. Wow. Congratulations. Welcome to Kid Blaster Master Official. Get ready. Electrifying mix of music, energy, creativity. Wow. High energy. Dance beat. Ayan. Good. Ano pala? You are fan of ano pa yung mga music. Ano. Oh, you already monetized. Congratulations. Yan, magpe-play tayo. Wala pa nga akong channel member. Baka naman gusto nyo mag-channel member naman sa atin. Ang ating channel member, thank you very much to NJ Anti-Corruption. Talagang ano siya, loyal sa pagiging member. Be a member to our channel. Thank you very much. Yung pala yung nakalimutan ko, maging member po kayo. Ito, dami mong member, oh. Diba? Dami mong member. Hindi pa ako maka-member kasi wala pa akong fan. My gosh. Wala pang sahod. Medyo matagal pa dahil naka 50 plus pa lang tayo eh. Hindi ko naman gusto na punduhan ko yung sarili kong channel. Mahirap naman po yung ganun. Gusto ko kasi, I just wanted to know kung gusto talaga nila yung channel na binabahagi po natin. Ngayon, we will play one of your channels. It's all about music. Okay, Pretty Baby. Uy, Bayaning Pilipino. I like this. Ayan, Bayaning Pilipino. Yeah, I'm playing right now. Tignan natin. Sana, magustuhan mo din yung ating channel. Thank you very much. Yan, I'm playing right now. Ano ba to? Music. Oo, may music. Hinaan natin kasi makaka-copyright po tayo. No? Thank you very much. Ay, hindi siya copyright. Oh, ganun ba? Sige. Sabi mo yan, Kasi nung ilang beses na ako na-copyright kaya. Nagdalawang live ako, 3 live. Kumakain ako sa restaurant. Tapos, ang hina-hina na nga yung music, na-copyright pa ako. Na-silent pa ako, pati sa simbahan. Gusto ko man na mabuo yung simbahan na pag ngayon, hindi ko alam kung bakit gano'n. Bigla na lang nawala yung video na shinare ko. Kasi may music. Kaya may copyright sa CPR. Kaya yun. Sayang nga eh. I'm playing right now Bayaning OFW. Yes. Yan. I'm playing right now. Wow. Really? Ang ganda. Dapat makapag-collab tayo, no? The Kidlat Master Official. Maganda. Gusto ko mag-share ng mga mga music na kaya lang I have no time sa desktop ko. Kasi sa trabaho ko na rin. Kaya, nandiyan ka pa ba si, Andiyan pa ba si, pakibisita si BMX Vlog? Yan, ang ating sister yan. BMX Vlog, yan and Mike Hart, thank you very much. My name is Jovi Ramos Valdez. Hello. Pure Filipino, Chinese Filipino ako. And I have my lahi, ang lahi ko Chinese and Spanish. Yan. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much. BMX Vlog, pakitulungan mo naman ako dito kung paano ba ito. Hindi ako masyadong kabihasa sa aking live stream. Yan. I really love your music. Your channel. It's all about Filipino. Yan, tama. Iangat po natin ang antas natin bilang Pilipino. Tama. Yan. Iikot natin yan yung mangga. Gusto niyo mangga? Yan. Bili po kayo ng basket natin dyan. Ay, naku, naarawan na yung mangga. Yan. Yan, thank you. Yan. Naluto na siya, Nakalimutan ko lang to, isang araw lang to, 2 araw lang to, na nalimutan ko dahil sa sinungkit ko po ito minsan. Yan. Bili po naman kayo ng basket natin dyan. Sa baba, yung ito. Bili po tayo. Maraming salamat. Yan. Mamaya po ibababa po natin to. Yan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Yan. Sinungkit ko kasi to. Ay, ki. Wala yan. Yan, thank you very much for coming. This is my place. Yeah, there. Wala akong kapitbahay. Ayan. Yan. Oh. Yan Overview the mountain. Yan. There. So, overview the mountain. Ang aking mangga. Yung mangga po ay overview. Overlooking the mountain. Overview the mountain. Ito yung mangga. May mangga pa ako dito. Tignan nyo yung mangga natin. Yan Yan, yung mangga yan. Yan, yung mangga. Yan. Nakita yung mangga dyan? Ayan yung mangga. Yan. Yung mangga is there. Yan. Imagine, hindi ko pinaputol to. Alam nyo kung ano ba to? Alam nyo kung ano to? Kaimito. Malalayo po yung mga kapitbahay ko po dito. Yan, pinasyal ko kayo sa aking lugar. Hello. Maraming salamat. Bumili po kayo ng basket. Yan. Mura lang po yung basket sa Shopee. Actually, mas mura sa Shopee. Kung bibili po kayo ng yung sa store, mas cheaper po. Yan. I'm finished. I'm playing. Tignan natin yung iba na music mo. May hero, may dad. Sisave ko muna. Magsisave ako. Sandali. So, I can check all your channel first, check ko muna lahat ng inyong channel. Yan. Maraming salamat. I'm ready to check your channel. Thank you very much for coming. The purpose of this live is to meet and greet yung mga ating mga kaibigan, and then the new friends. Yan. Maraming salamat. Yan, sa ngayon, yan, busy po tayo. Ma'am, hello, hello sa lahat. Bisita naman po kayo. Hello, hello. Hello, Miss Ma'am Ana, Arumangan. Salamat sa pagdating mo. Yes, sister na po tayo. Ma'am, you are very good. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Yeah, I have many more songs to publish. Maraming salamat. Iangat po natin ang ating mga local songs sa lahat, sa buong mundo. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Kidlat Master Official, may kababayan, our kababayan. Maraming salamat. Connect to everyone there, sa ating mga bisitas. Hindi pala bisita, mga kapatid yan. No? I'm busy right now. Yan. Yan, because I'm a real estate salesperson now under Santa Lucia. That's my job now. I'm a formerly government contracting business. Nag-retire po tayo dahil sa sumasakit na po ang ulo namin sa mga contracting business. Dahil pag hindi ka nila kaalyado, ikaw po ay pinapalayas. Yun ang buong katotohanan. Hindi po sila papasali sa mga bidding. Yan. Hello, hello! Push Teresaki. Asan na yung isa? Saan na napunta? Ma'am Ana, Miss Ana Arumuangan. I will check your channel first. Thank you very much. And just follow our standard, community standard. Para po hindi po tayo makapiright pa o violation po dito sa ating mga boss. Yan, thank you very much for coming. And to push patirisik. Yan, good morning, ma'am. Yeah, good morning. The time here is 11:47. Yes, sige, Kid Blaster Master Official, pakibisita mo ang ating videos at pusuan mo na rin ang ating mga videos. Mag-comment ka lang kung whatever o ano pang may isa-suggest mo. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Kid Blaster Master Official. Thank you very much for coming. And kung if ever po na magustuhan niyo po ang ating channel, join our channel. Thank you very much. Be a member. Maraming salamat sa iyo. God bless us all. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Yes, God bless. See you. See you later, Kid Blaster Master. Thank you very much. Sister Ana. Madam Edna Natu. Yeah, Ma'am Ana. Sandali lang. Tignan ko po si Ma'am Ana. Ma'am Ana, wait lang, from India. Yeah, push 3. Ma'am Ana. Ma'am Ana. Rumugam. Q1Z. Ma'am Ana, hindi ko mahanap yung channel mo. Bisitahin mo yung channel natin para mabalikan po kita. Para makita ko po yung channel mo. Sister, thank you very much. At sandali lang at aking i-screenshot para hindi po ako mawala. Hindi po ako mawala. Ayan. Ito. Hindi ko may screenshot. Asan si yung isa? Yan. Good morning. Push patirisika. Push. Pati. Pateresaki. Ano ba yun? Patere, sa, kish. Kiss ko, 2998. 2998. Oh no, I cannot find your channel, my gosh. What happened? Yan, pakibisita, please visit our channel to our videos. So, just leave a comment like and share, and I will visit your channel later. Thank you very much for coming. Maraming salamat. Yan. Tingnan natin, i-screenshot natin. Ay, wala namang, hindi na ma-screenshot. Ito. Hello, my sister, Sabita Bangka. Thank you very much for coming, Sabita. This is our place, like that, just like your place too. Yeah, like that. I'm overview the mountain, yeah. Overview the mountain. Ma'am Sabita, I miss your cooking. Let me drink first. This is my place. Yan. Our house still on renovation. This is our place. There is our place. Yan. That's our goat. There. Yan. Yan. This is our gate. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa inyo for supporting our channel. Thank you. Ma'am Ana Aromagan, please connect to Ma'am Aromagan. Thank you very much for coming. Yeah. Inom po tayo. Our house still under construction. Thank you very much. Our house is under construction part there. That is duhat. I don't know the English of duhat there. Ma'am Sabita, I will check your videos. Thank you very much. We are ready, friend. Oh. This mango is I already harvested. Nahinog ka agad. That is our mangoes. Our mangoes there, oh. Yeah, that's mangoes. Naubos na. That's our mangoes too. Yeah. It's mangoes. Under construction. This is under construction. Yan. Under construction. From which country you are? Philippines! Visit us here in the Philippines, Miss Sabita Bunker. We have many Indian national friends here. If they will allow me, I will visit their temple in the Indian National. I will ask permission first. I seldom do live stream because of my work schedule. Thank you very much. If I have a chance to visit the temple of Indian National, our Indian National, to our place, and I will cover it. Okay? I will share it. Thank you very much for coming. I'll check your video now. Yeah, there's you. But we are friends. Ma'am Sabita, thank you very much. And wow, you already have a 15,000 subscriber. Thank you. Wow, congratulations. Yeah. Mm. Wow, you have 14 million views. Wow. Yeah, we have the same place. What's this? We have the same place. Ma'am Sabita, thank you. Yeah. I'm watching your videos right now. There. Yeah. I have a friend, Indian National. If I have a time, I will meet them, okay? They are very good Christian. They're very good. Some are Christian, some are under national Christian also. Oh, you're busy, busy. There. Somebody, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh no. Halos ayaw ko lang, I almost don't want to watch our government news or whatever. My gosh. Puro problema. Hmm? Hello, Ma'am Sabita. Where are you going? Thank you very much. You're number 2. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Join our channel. Be a part of our channel. Thank you. Nasaan na yung mga iba? Nawala na. Mamaya titignan. But thank you. Mahangin ay. Thank you. Thank you. Yan. Pag umaano ka daw ganun, hahangin daw. Yun. Diba? Thank you. Please visit our channel. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Baka mamaya magla-live din po ako sa Filipino TV. Mamaya, bisitahin po natin yung Filipino TV. Yan. Have many white hair already. Yeah, many white hair. Ah! Woo! Hello. Ayan. This is my new career, being a real estate agent. If you want to invest, visit the Santa Lucia developer. Yan. Pinewoods. Feature ko yan sa Filipino TV. Filipino life stories is all about our being a Filipinos. Our, although marami na pong nagpi-feature about Filipino, well, okay lang naman din. Kanya-kanya pong, yun, diskarte din sa pagbablog kung paano. Simple lang yung sa atin. Yan, maraming salamat. Invest. Yan. How I wish and pray, how I prayed na may bumili ng lupa. It's very good to invest here in the Philippines, of course. Okay. Naku. Nagma-mark up to. I have no ball pen. I have to change my ball pen. Oh, no. No, sayang. Yan, sayang din. Yan, palitan ko tong ballpen. It's, nag-i-smudge yung ballpen. Just wait, okay? I'll be back. Just visit our channel. Thank you very much. Kukuha lang po ako ng ballpen. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nawala na po ito. Naubos na. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Yan. To Gamer Tegri Das 14. Thank you very much. At saka kay Mike Hart. Good evening. Mike Hart 8274. Thank you very much. Thank you. How was your day today? I am blessed today. I feel blessed today because I need to do live to meet and greet our subscribers, our organic friends, and around the world. Thank you very much. If you have a channel, please visit our channel. Thank you very much. To Lucif G70, thank you very much, Lucif G675. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is earth color. Yes, hello, my friend. Please visit our channel so I can visit your channel if you have. Thank you very much for supporting our channel. Be a part of our channel. Join. Be a member. So, you will be a part of our channel. You will be a part of our mission. Thank you very much. Sa aking sister channel, BMX Vlog. Sa aking sister, BMX Vlog. Thank you very much. And to Ma'am Sabita, to Sister Sabita, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. And to Kid Blaster Master Official, thank you. Thank you very much for coming. Oh, nag-smudge ng aking ano. Wow, it's not CPR. Thank you very much. Paano yun? Turuan mo nga kami. The place is a beautiful with many fruit-bearing trees. Yes, we have a langka. We have a langka is jackfruit. We have a kaimito, and kaimito wala pa. More on mangoes and ano pa? Mangoes, papaya, like that. And what? And to Ma'am Ana Arumagam, thank you very much. I cannot find your channel yet, but I will save this later so I can go back with you. What city are you from? My city are Pangasinan, Philippines. Please visit our province, Philippines. Thank you very much for coming. I am watching from India. Hello to our India national. I have many friends from India. Thank you very much. Most of my subscribers are India. Thank you very much for supporting our channel, Filipino Life Stories. And to my sister channel, Filipino TV. Thank you very much. We have a friend, national, Indian national in our country, in Pangasinan, because they are student. Some are students, some are business. Thank you very much. Yeah. Hello, sister ko. Morning, Sisi. Mother Bula. Thank you very much for coming. Sis, this is my province. Maraming salamat sa iyo. At ako'y kukuha ng ballpen. Yan, ang aking province there. Yan. Overview. Overseeing. Yan. Yan. Yan, nandyan tayo. Yan. Kumusta? Ang Japan. Nauwi ka na ba, sis? Yan. Tingnan ko nga yung channel mo mamaya. Bisitahin mo lang yung ating channel at titingnan ko yung channel mo. Kukuha ko ng ballpen kasi yung ballpen ko mali. Mother Budla. Mother. Budlat. Sister, kumusta? Mother Budlat. Yun. We're already friend. We're already friend. There, oh. Living in Japan, there. Morning, Sisi. Morning, morning. The time here is 12:09. Magpe-play ako, sister ko, ah. May ayudang bigas? Ha? Oh, no skip of ads. Yeah, no? No skip of ads there. May ayuda ni Bongbong Marcos sa Jensen. Ha? Relief supplies not for sale. DSWD, ganun. Reject na bigas? Why?
Na-bash din si ate dahil nga nagre-reklamo siya kung anong klaseng bigas na sobrang bigas.
Ganun?
Hindi niya alam na yung pagkakpak na bigas ay nakasealed at nakabacuum. Ginagawa ko talaga ng para hindi mo sa space.
Ganun. Naku. Nag-ano ka? Reaction video. Ayuda ni Bongbong Marcos sa Jensen.
Nung natanggap nilang ayuda, ang bigas ay maraming bukbuk. Ayon pa nga sa mga kaibigan ko at kakilala na nakatanggap din ng ayuda, kahit ilang beses mong linisan,
naku, bakit naging ganyan?
Pagkain ng aso ang binigay. So I'm really praying na makabangon talaga ang taga-Mindanao, guys. So this is your Mother Budlat. Stay strong tayong lahat.
Ganon? My gosh. Walang kasalanan si ating presidente, syempre. Ang may kasalanan yung niya, mga tao niya. Oh. Diba? Ano naman yun, magbibigay na rin lang, ganyan pa.
Maunay ning yatag ayuda diri sa Marcos sa Sisan. Naron lang gyud. Lawa.
Lawa. Scam kasi.
Hello guys, again this is your good luck family. Welcome to Ibaraki. Samahan niyo kaming mag-explore.
Oo nga, gusto ko pumunta ng Japan.
Guys, for coffee at mag-eat. Ayun no.
Paano ba pumunta ng Japan,
Hindi
sister?
lahat ng
Mahal ang Japan eh.
nakasama sa Ibaraki trip.
Minsan
Dahil
nag-iisip
wala
ako,
kami
sabi ko,
specific date or
itulong na lang
time
natin.
pupunta, basta lang
Savings
tumawag o
na
sige,
lang.
dadaan ka
Ganun.
na namin at tayo lalarga. From Sagamihara, Kanagawa, nag-travel kami almost 6 hours going to Ibaraki. Pero guys, may mga daanan naman na mas mabilis. Pinili lang namin itong longest at saka cheapest dahil na mahal din ang mga expressway dito. Ang booking is a kind of scam. Kawa dyan tao. May tao guys. Nakita ko na yung hotel. Yun na nga guys, pagdating namin sa Ibaraki, yung hotel na dapat namin tutulugan, hindi daw sila tumatanggap ng transaction sa lugar na yun. Pero confirm na yun. Hanap kami ng hanap at
Paano?
nahirapan pa kami dahil nga peak season, Golden Week dito sa Japan. Umuulan-ulan pa talaga, so tinry namin dito sa hotel. Actually, pangatlo na namin na hotel na pinuntahan ko. Pero walang bakante o kaya isang
Nako naman. Nako. Balikan ko kayo kasi kukuha lamang ako ng may binibenta po tayo diyan na may binibenta po tayo diyan ng mga basket. Baka naman pwede po kayong bumili. Bili-bili na po kayo. Thank you very much. Sandali lamang po ako at ako ay kukuha ng ballpen. Kuha akong ballpen. Yes, hello. Kumuha ako ng ng ballpen. Ballpen. Kasi itong ballpen na to, nag-smudge. Ito, hindi. Tingnan natin kung hindi mag-smudge pa. My gosh. Ay. Asa si Mother Budlag? Oh, wala na. Hello. Kung sino darating dyan. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you very much for coming. Hello. Hello. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yan. Maayos na.
Yan. Maayos na. Yan. Maayos na. Yan. Maayos na.
Ano siya? Thank you very much. Oh, no. I have a problems in my videos. Nakapirate ata tayo. No views sabi niya, nakapirate. Anyway, it's okay. Ganun talaga ang buhay. It's okay. Yes. That's life. Fortune. My favorite pita bread. Yan. Nag-advertise pa. Advertisement pa. Yan.
Purpose pa.
Humangin. Yan. Naku, dami. Bato. Dami naman. Thank you very much. Well, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Have a break. Have a pita. Free ads. No oras na ba? 12:25. Hello, happy lunchtime to all my fellow Filipino. Happy lunchtime. Mhm. Thank you for coming. Sa lahat ng pumunta for coming to Gamer Tegre. Thank you very much for coming to Gamer Tegre. To Mike Heart 8274. Thank you very much for coming to this live. To Losef G 67 feet. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat. BMX Vlog sa sister, kay sister, thank you very much. At kay Kid Blaster Master Official, thank you very much for coming. Salamat po. Salamat. Kid Blaster Master. See you in our next video. Sa mga videos po natin, maraming salamat. Please subscribe to our channel and please bumili po kayo ng ating produkto. Maraming salamat. Bumili po kayo ng ating mga produkto. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. La, 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 la. 453. Thank you for coming. Hello, hello. Nako, mas maraming naka-present dun sa pagbabae na mas maraming present na oh my gosh. Hey! Because I'm a Christian, so I cannot bear skin that much. Yeah, okay. So, parang tuloy na ba yan? Mm-hmm. Yan. I am wearing my dress now. That's why. So bad. So badly. Wala na bang bibisita sa atin lahat? Yan, mamaya po magla-live po tayo mamaya sa Pilipino TV. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. To Ma'am Sabita, Mother Budla, maraming salamat. Mainit na kasi dito Kaya, magtatapos na po ako ng live. Nakailan na oras na po ako. 1:47, 1:48. Punta naman po kayo sa live. Bira na nga po ako mag-live Tapos hindi pa kayo pupunta. Oh my gosh. Busy po ang lahat. But when I check the other channel, nako, basta pag babae na, alam niyo na, maraming pumupunta. Hindi naman po tayo ganun kasi. Kaya, dami pa kaming mangga dun. May mangga pa. Pag ganitong oras, kukunti yung bisita. Yeah, there. Marami na rin. Sana marami pa. Got it. Yan. Buy naman po kayo ng basket dyan. Tingin-tingin po. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello po. I'm 51, 52, 53. Hmm? Eating armingo. Ah, mm, kami. Kunti lang bisita natin. Um, Hirap pong mag-isip ng content. Ay, yung i-share. Kasi wala kaming time na bumiyahe. Mahal ng gas eh. Hmm. Hmm? Hmm. Ay, hirap pa mag... Wait. There. Mainit na mamaya dito. Kaya mamaya, bababa na po tayo at Magkukumusta na lang po later sa ating mga videos share. Tatanga nga ako dahil nawala yung video ko eh. So, I suspect na it's na copyright. That's why. I don't know what happened. Somebody. Nako, inantok yung manok. Phew, mainit na. Yeah, thank you for coming. Hello. Hello. Thank you very much for coming. And thank you very much for subscribing our channel, Filipino Life Story. Maraming salamat po. At bihira po tayo mag-live, pero ito na po yung pagkakataon para po makapasok po kayo at mabisita po natin ang ating bawat isa. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much. Minsan hindi po ako makalive kasi nga yung mga copyright issue. Kaya yun. Mahirap pong gumawa ng content. Mahirap pong tapos makaka-copyright ka rin. Naku. Oh no. Yeah. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. At marami pa po tayong pupuntahan ng mga channel later. At ito pong aking ay maglolobat na siya. Yan. Thank you very much. Yan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much. Connecting. Yan. Ayaw yung Naku, ayaw niyo. Yan. Picturean ko po kasi ayaw niya Yan. Sandali lamang po at yan. Hello, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at mag-e-end na po tayo. Thank you very much. See you in our next live na lang po dahil po lolobat na po ito at parating na po yung ating haring araw. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much. This is our place. Maraming salamat. See you. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you in our next live. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing our channel. Be a part of our channel. Maraming salamat po. sa mga suporta na binibigay niyo po sa ating channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you.